What type of person creates a problem to solve another problem? The problem in Nigeria is obviously not the people that are going around murdering the entire nation one by one. Rather, it's the people whose principality that state is that refuse to take responsibility and prevent that from happening, very intentionally prevent that from happening. That is the problem. The problem is not whether there are viruses that want to kill the body, but rather that the white blood cells that are supposed to protect the virus are leaving it intentionally. So instead of your solution now being to go direct to the problem and just be like, the reason we cannot hold our leaders to account is because we are not using African solutions to African problems of neocolonialism. That if I swear this political leader by this dreaded deity, and if he's a national leader by a coalition of those deities, of the dreaded deities of the principalities that are going to be securing, that if we swear this person by this deity, we know that he's not going to do this thing. That is your solution. Now you want to go and now bring the potential, a proven, and even if Trump is the most repented person in the world and intentional and Christian, who's to say that the next foreign affairs person in charge of foreign affairs is not Hillary Clinton? You now go and create a potential problem, bigger issue, bringing a flesh-eating parasite into your body because your white blood cell refused to chase virus away. Make that make sense. Make that make sense. Christian people, make that make sense.